So this is what we're getting here.
Has your Spectrum mobile data stopped working or slowed to a crawl? In this video, I'm going to be going over the top 3 reasons as to why this would be. So guys, let's talk about it. Well, hey there guys, welcome back to yet another episode on EB3 Tech, and if we're meeting for the first time, I am your host, Eddie Blotnicki III, and on this channel, I'm typically talking mobile tech. So today guys, we're talking about the top 3 reasons as to why your Spectrum mobile data could be super slow, or maybe it stopped working entirely. So guys, let's go ahead, we're going to dive right on in here. So the first reason, and this is pretty common here, is network congestion. Now, I've experienced this firsthand a lot this summer. So network congestion, guys, in summary, it's basically when you have a lot of people gathered around one particular area and using up all the bandwidth of one tower. So that's the most common reason of network congestion, and I actually found it kind of funny that Verizon, which is the parent company of Spectrum Mobile, they actually have on their website an explanation for network congestion here. So they basically say it typically happens between 7 to 11 p.m., or known as the internet peak hours, when a lot of people in your area or your home use the internet at the same time. It can become sluggish. So that's the first reason. The second reason here is if you're on the unlimited or the unlimited plus on the Spectrum Mobile here, this doesn't really apply to by the gig, but on the unlimited plans, if you've used more than 20 gigabytes on the 45 or 30 gigs on the 55, then your data speeds will be slowed to a maximum of 1 megabit per second download and half megabits upload. And actually went ahead and I got an email, first time ever, guys. Can you believe it? First time ever. I got an email here saying that I've used all my high-speed data, so I went ahead. We're going to roll a speed test here just to show you the speeds. All right, guys, I'm at the tower. I have full bars of Spectrum LTE. Let's go ahead. I'm going to show it to you here.
You guys that are regular viewers of the channel, you've seen this tower before. The antennas at the top are Verizon. All right, let's launch the app here. We're going to go ahead, and as you can see, let me show it to you here. Full bars of Spectrum LTE. Let's go ahead. We're going to run the speed test here, guys. Like I said, I am completely out of my high-speed data. So this is what we're getting here. Alright guys, and that concludes this test.
So guys, there you go. Alright, and the third reason, it honestly could just be your area or the tower that you're on. Some towers are using an older technology. It could also be the band of the network that you're using. That's really the least common reason, but it's just something to keep in mind. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that I got straight to the point on this video, really delivering on the question of the top 3 reasons why that your Spectrum mobile data might not be working. So guys, if you happen to enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't enjoy this video, that other button, it still seems to work okay too. And maybe you've come across my channel for the very first time. This video might have been recommended to you, or you were searching for the Spectrum Mobile data. Slow down, you came across my video and you're like, Eddie, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for answering the question. Then I encourage you to check out the rest of my channel. And if you like what you see, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Tick the little notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. So guys, that's going to go ahead and be it for today's video. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. On this channel, I basically test out all the cell phone providers and I expose their practices. So guys, that's going to be it. All right, guys. And until next time.